Hey everybody, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing this red and orange kind of fiery look. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you want to see me go through emotional turmoil, just keep watching. Today I'm just going to zoom straight through the brows and the base so we can go straight onto the eye look. If you want to see how I do this in a little bit more depth, I'll link one of my tutorials up above. But other than that, let's get into it. Okay, now that the base is done, I'm just going to add some tape to the corner of my eye to create a sharp edge. I'm going to start by buffing an orange shade into my crease, starting from the outer corner here. So now I'm just going to grab a much fluffier brush and then diffuse the whole thing out. I've been blending for about 10 minutes now because I've just been waiting for my neighbors to leave so I could talk again. Kind of torn on whether or not I want to do like a red on the lid and then blend it up, or do like a red in the corner and then do like an orange cut crease. I might do red on the corner. I'm a sucker for cut creases. So I'm just gonna dip into the red. So I'm just going to grab a smaller brush for the red again, just so I can kind of bring it towards my inner corner, but I don't want to bring it all the way up to the brow too strong. So I'm going to dip into the red and the orange and then follow my crease. So at this point we can see that there's not even a crumb of dimension. So to combat that, I'm going to add a dark brown. So I'm just going to add a bit of that to make it not quite as flat. And then blend that out as well. Okay, and now it's time to cut the crease. So you may be wondering what happened. I tried to do a cut crease and it didn't work very well. So I ran to the bathroom sobbing. No, I'm kidding. Okay. Let me finish this eye and pretend that never happened. I'm pretty much back at the part just before I fucked up. So with this eye, what I did, I just packed an orange shimmer instead of trying to cut my crease. So I'm going to do the same thing for this one. That was a mission and a half. I'm going to move on to eyeliner now. So I got this new eyeliner that I might try. I'm not sure how good it's going to be. I mean, So it's okay across the lash line, but it's quite a stiff brush, so I don't know how it's gonna do on the wing. So I'm just gonna move on to foundation now. That was a stress-inducing experience. So I was actually thinking about recreating this look sometime in the near future. When you see the stark difference between your natural skin, your freckles, your discoloration, etc., you're kind of like, damn, that's shit. Even though it's not and no one cares, you know. So I might do that sometime soon. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see a look like that. So the inspiration for this look was my deep-rooted anger in myself and the world. I had an exam yesterday, which I didn't really think I did too well on. So this is how I feel. Even starting this look and then failing this look and then having to restart this look. So of course bronzer is next. It's been a really weird time. I feel very weird all the time. Like, I don't know, I feel like I'm more irritable than usual, which is already a problem. Like, I didn't realize how loud my neighbors were until every day feels like Groundhog Day. Like, it feels never ending, and that's coming from a place of a lot of privilege. Like, I still have a job, I still get to study. Okay, I just zoned off for a little bit, and I don't remember what I was talking about. I'm kind of liking how this is turning out now. I don't feel as angry. Okay, time for lashes. So many like makeup tutorials and seeing photos and videos and stuff, I realized I've never lined my waterlines before. So if you guys have any recommendations of ones that I can get in Australia, that would be great, because it looks so sick. Like, I'm maybe a little terrified, but I just never really thought about it before, to be honest. So that's pretty much the eye look. I'm just waiting for my lash glue to dry. So I'm just gonna sit here for a few minutes and wait. Okay, now I'm trying to decide whether or not I want to do a red lip or a nude lip. So I just realized I completely forgot about highlighter. So while I wait for my other lash to dry, I'm just going to do that. For this, I'm using the Fenty Killawatt in Hustler Baby, just because it's a nice gold toned one. Okay, little update. My lashes got fucked up. feeling very accomplished right now. So of course I'm going to do my classic combo of this LA Colors lip liner and the Fenty Gloss Bomb. I'm finally done. Thank the fucking Lord. Oh wait, I forgot about setting spray. So I ended up also doing a red lip for this look, and it's pretty cute. I think I like the nude one better, but I don't know. Let me know what you guys like better. I think it clashes a little, but it's okay. Nothing could possibly go worse in this video, so. That's it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you think down below, and I'll see you next time. Bye!